Let's talk about the present perfect tense. So, what is the present perfect tense and how do we use it? Keep watching and find out. All right, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. How to use present perfect. Let's get started. The present perfect is formed by using have or has plus the past participle of a verb. I have. And the negative is haven't or have not. I have not, I haven't. You have, you haven't. We have, we haven't. They have, they haven't. He has or he hasn't. He has not. She has, she hasn't. It has. Now, with the past participle, I have seen. You have been. We have gone. They have come. He has eaten. She has finished. It has rained. Past participles are sometimes difficult for students to learn or remember. If you want more information about past participle verbs, watch my video about irregular verbs here. Okay, let's continue. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and hit that like button. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much. Back to the video. The present perfect is used to talk about something in the past that is connected to the present time. Okay, what do I mean by this? This means that an action or situation started in the past. It began in the past, but it continues in the present time. It continues now. So it began in the past and it continues now. For example, I have lived in Canada all my life. This started in the past, a long time ago. I am old. And it continues in the present. Why? Well, I'm alive. I'm still here, living in Canada, right? And so I still live in Canada now, right now, today, in the present time. So here we can see a time chart, the past and the present. And here, started in the past and continues in the present time. So I have lived in Canada all my life, from when I was born, a baby, until now. Understand? Tom has been a firefighter for 10 years. This means 2015 until now, 2025, 10 years. So this began in the past, 2015, 2016, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, until now, 2025. Okay. The present perfect is also used to talk about an action that occurred in the past where the time is not important. When the action happened is not important. Okay? So this is the context. The action is more important than the time. So this means the action or the experience is important, not when the action happened. For example, I have been to the United States. It's true. When I went there, the specific time is not the focus of the sentence. The experience telling you that I have been to the United States, yes, is important, not when. So the experience is the main idea, not time. Terry has read many books. When she read the books is not important. The experience is important. The present perfect is often used with words like already, yet, ever, and never. These words are often used with the present perfect to express specific ideas about whether an action has been completed or not completed. It gives us a little bit more context or certainty about this. For example, have you ever been to Japan? Here, ever means in your life. Have you in your life been to Japan any time in your life? I have never been to Japan. Never means not in your life. So 0 times in your life. Would you like a cup of coffee? No, thank you. I have already had 2 cups today. Already means so far or thus far. And we usually use already with a positive statement, a positive sentence. Okay? Would you like a cup of coffee? Yes, please. I haven't had any coffee today yet. Or I can also say, I haven't had any coffee yet today. Both are okay. What does yet mean? Yet means the same as already. Up to now, so far, thus far. The difference is we do not usually use yet with positive statements. We usually use yet with negative statements. Okay? The present perfect is also used to talk about repeated actions in the past, where the time is not important. For example, it has rained 3 times this week. So this is 3 repeated actions or 3 repeated events in the past. 3 times this week. I have been to the United States many times. Repeated actions in the past. And many times is non-specific. I am not talking about when I went there specifically, like 2010 or November, many times. Again, the focus is on the action, not the time. So I can say many times, several times, 10 times. If you want to focus on a specific time in the past, we use past simple. Past simple focuses on time. Present perfect focuses on the action or the experience. Okay? It rained on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Past simple. These are specific times. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. I went to the United States last November. This is a specific time. Past simple. Went. November 2024. I have been to the United States many times. Present perfect. Non-specific time. Many times in my life. Understand? Let's look at some examples in context. What do these sentences mean? I have been working here for 5 years. This sentence is indicating current employment. 5 years in the past, you started working at the company, and today you are still working at the company. I have been working here for 5 years. She has just finished her project. This sentence is indicating or focusing on the completion of the project. She has just finished means she finished a few moments ago, recently, right? They have traveled to many countries, emphasizing their travel experience. Not the time when they traveled, but the fact that they have traveled to many countries and the experience is the topic of the conversation, right? Have you seen the new movie yet? Asking about someone's experience. Do you have this experience, right? Have you seen the new movie yet? I have already eaten breakfast today. Indicating a completed action. Okay, guys, that is present perfect. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to the channel for more free English videos in the future. Also, if you want me to make a more advanced video about the present perfect, let me know down in the comments section. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.